How to loop in Ableton Live. Creating a loop in Ableton Live's arrangement view allows you to repeat a selected section of your project and quickly explore different musical concepts at specific locations in your track. To loop in Ableton Live, start by highlighting the portion of your project that you want to loop. You can do this by left-clicking the starting beat of the desired loop, then dragging your cursor to the concluding beat. Next, enable the loop by using the keyboard shortcut Command L if you're running Ableton Live on a Mac, or Control L if you're on a Windows device. Once your loop is enabled, you can adjust the length of the loop by dragging the start and end points of the loop at the top of the arrangement view. You can also move the entire loop to another location within your project by simply left-clicking and dragging the center of the loop horizontally across the arrangement view. To exit out of the loop, select the Loop Switch button from the top bar. Alternatively, you can use the same keyboard shortcut as before, which is Command L if you're running Ableton Live on a Mac, or Control L if you're on a Windows device. And that's it. That's how to loop in Ableton Live. Want to take your music production skills to the next level? Live Aspects is your one-stop shop for Ableton Live tutorials, tips, and techniques.